Where's my star?
Where's your star? Let's check the car. Catchy, wait for Daddy. Today is old-fashioned day at church. It's the church's anniversary. It's also Campton Owen's birthday. Campton, is it your birthday? How fun to be able to dress up like a cowboy on your birthday. There's Campton. Somehow he got the ride on the four-wheeler. Of course he did. Catchy, where's Care Bear? She riding the choo-choo? Come here, you gotta wait your turn. You gotta wait. Kaysen, wave to me, Kaysen. Hey, don't chase, Matthew. Come here. Come here, Matthew. Ready, Catchy? Catchy, you went off or are you going to ride again? You going to ride again? Okay. There's Campton in the front. Up. The third row is Kevin and Kaysen, and the last row is Kara. Catch, come here.
Oh yeah! Mommy!
Cheese.
What is it?
Huh?
Well, I was able to get it back.
I'm getting your little one from behind.
Oh, look up here, Steven.
That's a baby? Kara, are you going to throw the egg and catch it? And you're not going to let it break?
No!
Kevin, you going to throw it so gentle? Alright, Kevin, gentle!
Kevin, underhand.
Gentle. Catch it, Kara. Uh-oh. Okay, get it. Alright.
Get ready to throw back.
Throw it to Kevin. Wait, not yet, not yet.
Not hard, not hard.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so of course the kids are over here exploring where they're not supposed to be in the tall grass. And they're yelling they see a pygmy rattler. We'll see.
Back up, away from it. Head, no, that's tail.
Dang these things. Cameron, you little kid. You're probably getting tired of seeing nasty, disgusting stuff. So am I. But I just almost stepped on. I'm not even sure what's worse. Snakes or these things. Get that thing way off our property.
Sorry!
Jack it.
Just make
Did you see? Did you see it strike at the camera?
Oh, there's one eye. I see an eye. I see the eye. Look at that. It's Dag of a Nightmare. That's a daggum nightmare. Are you catching all of it?
No running, because you guys will trip.
I don't want you getting
No
dirty,
running.
buddy.
No running.
Come here, come see the look at the chubby puppy. You want to hold a puppy?
The puppy.
You want to hold the puppy? Careful. Come here, Catchy. She's not going to get you. Go see one of the puppies.
Mommy, what's the man? Nice puppy. Let's hold it. I want to hold it.
You want to hold it? Okay, you can hold it. They're big enough. Up, Rolly. We're not going to hurt your pups. We're not going to hurt them.
Mommy, Daddy said if we touch them, they'll die.
No, that was when they were tiny. Now they're bigger. Hold on. Okay, why don't you sit down?
No. Hey, Jason. I put it down.
You put it down? Hey, little puppy. Nice. Nice. Okay, let me see. Oh, Care Bears. You showing it where the water's at? Uh-oh, Bobby better bring in some more water.
Oh my goodness. They don't have enough water.
Bobby's getting some. Campton.
Oh my gosh.
Campton, you're getting your pants legs all dirty and we gotta go to church. Brush them off. Let me see you, Kason. You got a boy or a girl? That looks like a boy.
Let me see. This one's a girl.
A boy?
I can tell from the pee-pee.
Okay.
And it peed freshly.
Yours is a girl? Let me see. I think that's a boy, right, Kason? Or is that a girl?
Boy.
That's a boy.
This one's a girl.
Let me see. Let me see. Lift it up so I can see the pee-pee.
It's a girl.
Which one's that?
It's a girl.
That's a girl. But it looks the same as yours.
Listen, a girl pee-pee, I think, would probably go straight down.
Let me see that your pee-pee, yours again.
One's pointing a little bit up.
Let me see. I think that's a boy. That's a boy.
This one.
I thought we already checked yours. Here we go. This is a girl. All right, you are a girl.
Let
Okay.
me see. Let me
See
see.
how far down the pee-pee is? It's right next to the hiney.
Oh.
Okay. Today is a majorly important day for Steven's family farm. Hold on. Where's that tarantula? Where's that tarantula?
It's.
Way far away, you promise? You swear?
I swear. to God.
Okay. Today is a super important day for Steven's Family Farms. We have been, I want to say a year and a half without a refrigerator. And we now have a refrigerator. It will be a couple days before we get it hooked up, but we chose a propane refrigerator. So we are all super excited to stop using our tiny little cooler and to actually have a refrigerator and a freezer. So hopefully the men will stock it full of some deer meat, some nice free organic food.
The refrigerator. And is it dropped off the pallet yet?
You're good. Keep going.
Oh man, that was rough. I did not think that was going to be that tough.
It's always that tough. Should we drop and run? Drop and run.
Yeah, well let's go ahead and get the strap and the dolly out of here. Alright, you ready to see your new fridge?
I'm ready. Wow!
Propane refrigerator deluxe.
It's a real refrigerator! Yay! Oh, do not take all that off.
I'm just going to do this top piece real quick. Look at your freezer.
Oh, I cannot wait to get it working. Wow, it's huge!
Huge freezer. What do you think?
I love it.
Look inside your fridge.
I love it, love it, love it, love it.
Is that big enough for you?
Oh my goodness.
It even
Look
feels
at this,
cold in there.
guys. I know it. Wow. Wow. What, I don't even know what we're going to put in there. We've been, you know, dealing with this
Yeah.
for
That's
so
our
long.
fridge. That is our
That's
fridge.
like, how am I going to fill up that? I'd love to fill it up with meat, let me tell you.
Mm,
Some good grass-fed meat.
some good acorn-fed.
All right. Well, we've got to get to church, so we'll have to reveal some more later.
The three leaders of Whiting Propane.
Nothing.
No bubbles.
None whatsoever. When I tell you, hold down the gas button. Must still have air in the line. It's just blowing my flame right now.
You search.
There we go. Okay.
And this is how you play. And when you see the birds, you have to dance. And when it stops, you have to freeze.
Okay, so you gotta see the inside of our tent, and this is very good. Catchy, do not please. Whoops. That might be a little problem. Okay, we're going inside. Boom, boom, boom. And this is the flower I made. I put a cup and there's another cup. As you can see that. And right here is the stick that holds it up. Maybe I'll point that. Okay, so right there. So these are the grass piles that I keep. So I let go the millipede in here and it's gone. Maybe I should stick you in there to find out. Just kidding. So I'll show you outside the proper building we had to do from outside. Okay, so see the flag? That's where most of our building that holds it up keeps. And this tape doesn't really blow around in the wind. It's supposed to do that. And the rope keeps it. But the stick actually is part. That's kind of a hole. Let's see if you can see right through. So you may be thinking this is our castle. Okay, I'm gonna turn you off right now. Right now.
Real holes somewhere.
What you guys working on?
Doghouse for Boomer.
And Boomer
Out of
will
scrap?
love it.
Alright, the top's done. So now we can put on the sides. I think the next question
You're
is,
holding the tools? What kind of tool
how
is it?
tall does it need to be?
59?
Yeah,
Here, let's get the measuring
It's
tape.
59 tool?
Yeah.
Put that up, Care Bears.
Look at that doghouse.
Wow.
King.
Can I go in? Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Kara, stop.
Let me go in.
No, they.
Don't bang on the walls. It's not you know, the strongest thing in the world. What do you think?
Yeah, he's gonna like it. Coming together, and then you said you had some metal to go
Needs
over
to get
it.
covered with metal. I think for tonight we're probably just gonna try to see if we can do a roof and then stop there.
Yep. Yeah,
Um,
it is getting pretty dark. Boomer has started eating chicken eggs, along with chickens, of course, if he can get them. Well, let's show your house, even though it's not finished all the way, Boomer. This is Boomer's house. We can rarely get him to go in there. Sometimes in the rain he don't even want to go in there. Sometimes he does. Boomer, I think I understand why they were getting rid of you, little guy. He's chewing up everything around the farm.
Too big.
Just
Just right. Just right.
Yeah.
Tell me again, start at this one. What's that?
Start the tape.
And do the next one.
Too much.
Nope, this one.
Ma, what's this?
What's this?
I can tell. And pedal, cheese, asamami, lollipop, cherry pie, chocolate, cupcake, and watermelon.
And then what happened?
Here is big thumbs.
The finished pig house, keeping them nice and warm at night. All right, guys, ready? Are you on the choo-choo train? Is this the choo-choo train?
Here comes the whoopsie-whoops.
A tunnel?
There's a straight tunnel. Hey, we stopped. We stopped. Keep going. Another couple of heads. Let's go.
Oh, no.
What the heck?
You guys are coming up on a gigantic drop straight down.
Let's